Public blockchains like Ethereum are the next evolution of internet databases, and metamask is the next evolution of the browser. Metamask is a web browser extension and mobile app that allows you to manage your Ethereum private keys. By doing so, it serves as a wallet for Ether and other tokens and allows you to interact with decentralized applications, or dapps. Unlike some wallets, MetaMask keeps no information on you, not your email address, not your password, and not your secret recovery phrase or other private keys. You retain all power over your crypto identity. New to crypto and Web3, head to MetaMask. Learn for a straightforward learning experience designed specifically for newcomers to Web3. It's completely free, available in multiple languages, and includes useful tools such as simulations to help you find your feet with MetaMask. For detailed information on specific topics such as blockchain technology, tokens, swaps, layer 2 networks, and the rest, scroll down to next steps. How to install MetaMask. Chrome. Visit https://metamask.io/ hit download in the menu bar. Click Install MetaMask for Chrome. You will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. On the pop-up, click Add Extension. After adding MetaMask extension, MetaMask will automatically open. You can also make sure it's easily accessible in your toolbar by clicking the jigsaw icon in the top right of the screen and hitting the pin icon. Alternatively, you could also access each browser's extension store and search for MetaMask, whatever you prefer. Configure your privacy settings. When installing the MetaMask extension, you'll be able to adjust privacy settings one by one to ensure the app is set up according to your privacy preferences. To do this, simply hit the Advanced Configuration button in the wallet setup process. Here you can toggle/configure settings including phishing detection, incoming transactions, additional token price information from third-party sources, the default RPC provider, token auto-detect, batch account requests. Don't worry if you're unsure during setup. Once your wallet is up and running, you can access the same settings at any time in Settings. Security and privacy. When adding MetaMask to your browser, you may ask why you'd have to approve an extension to read and change all your data on the websites you visit. Get ready, the answer is technical. In order to enable dapps or decentralized applications to access the blockchain, MetaMask needs to inject a Web3 JavaScript object into each page. By doing so, it will not change the website, but merely allows it to access the network. For a fuller explanation of this, see here. If you are still not convinced, a good way to experiment and manage your browser is to sandbox your MetaMask. Create a separate browser profile so that MetaMask is only installed there. This will let you get used to MetaMask and Web3 in an environment that's separate from your existing web identity. That said, MetaMask is safe for browsing. Welcome, you're joining over 30 million MetaMask users all over the world. Adding some tokens to your wallet allows you to fully engage in Web3. After creating your wallet, you'll see a prompt in the MetaMask extension to fund your wallet. From there, you can buy crypto with a debit or credit card, receive crypto from another account, or transfer crypto from a centralized exchange. Select the option you'd like to start with. You can always use a different method later. MetaMask, a different model of account security. Public blockchain technology uses a very different set of tools to secure user data, compared to traditional online technologies. Most of us are used to creating an account with an app or service and being able to, for example, write to support to reset our password or username. We're used to the app keeping our data, presumably on some sort of computer that belongs to the company. Well, MetaMask doesn't work like that. MetaMask has 3 different types of secret that are used in different ways to keep your wallet and your accounts private and safe. The secret recovery phrase, the password, and private keys. We'll walk you through these secrets one at a time. One of the key, you'll see what I did there, technologies underlying MetaMask and most user account-related tools in the crypto space is the seed phrase, or as it's referred to in MetaMask, your secret recovery phrase. All of your accounts are mathematically derived from your secret recovery phrase. You can think of the SRP like a keyring, and it holds as many private keys as you could want. Each one of those keys controls an account. Now, if you want a technical explanation, seed phrases as we know them today were codified for usage in Bitcoin according to a standard referred to as Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 39 or BIP 39. In simple terms, a series of words are selected with a high level of randomness from a specific list of words. In MetaMask and many other Ethereum-compatible technologies, there are 12 words in a seed phrase. Some older seeds generated by the Brave browser and some hardware wallets use 24-word phrases. Each one of these words corresponds to a series of numbers, and when placed in a specific order, they represent a much more user-friendly way to remember a very, very long number. That number is then used to deterministically generate your accounts, and you may hear people refer to deterministic wallets. In computer science, deterministic is used to describe a process, usually an algorithm of some kind, that will always generate the same result. In other words, your secret recovery phrase will always generate the same set of accounts derived from it. There are a number of important features to note here. The secret recovery phrase is the secret that controls the wallet. If someone has this secret, they have complete access to the wallet. MetaMask does not keep your SRP, you are the custodian of your wallet. MetaMask representatives will never ask for your secret recovery phrase, even in a customer support scenario. If someone does ask for it, they are likely trying to scam you or steal your funds. Your SRP is used locally to derive private keys, one per account or address. Accounts are stored on the blockchain, and these private keys unlock those accounts. If you uninstall the app or the extension, then the local version of the data is gone, the notable exception being the vault. But any transactions you performed with that local version of MetaMask will have been recorded on the blockchain. Therefore, the transaction should be reflected both on a block explorer and in another instance of MetaMask, so long as you restore using the same secret recovery phrase with the words in the same order. This means that so long as you have your secret recovery phrase, you will always be able to uninstall MetaMask and restore your wallet. Within your wallet, you can have a very large number of separate accounts. When MetaMask creates or restores your wallet from the secret recovery phrase, it initially produces only the first account. However, any additional accounts you create can be recreated in a future instance of MetaMask. As the wallet is deterministic, it will always recreate the same accounts in the same order. For more on this issue, see the FAQs below. Note, however, that the additional accounts beyond the first, automatically labeled Account 1, will not be automatically re-added to your account in all circumstances. See our explanation here for more information. It is possible to import accounts from other Ethereum-compatible technologies into a MetaMask wallet. To do so, the private key of that specific account is used. However, this account will not be automatically restored by MetaMask in another instance. You will have to manually re-add it. Therefore, if you have manually imported accounts, make note of their private keys in the same way you did your seed phrase in order to be able to re-import them in the future. MetaMask secret recovery phrase. Do's and don'ts. Do write down your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe. We can't tell you precisely where, as that depends on your circumstances. The importance of handwriting your secret recovery phrase is that it cannot be stolen online. If you store it in a file in an internet-linked cloud storage folder, for example, it could theoretically be stolen. Double-check your spelling and that you wrote down every word in the same order they were given. Reach out to MetaMask Support's official channels if you need help. Don't keep it in an easily discovered location, like a post-it note stuck to your computer. Don't keep it in an easily hacked location, like a cloud-saved document or an email titled seed phrase. Don't provide your seed phrase to anyone, even if they say they're from MetaMask Support. Don't change the order of the words. How to reveal your secret recovery phrase. When dealing with cryptocurrencies or crypto assets such as Ether and ERC20 tokens, it is crucial to always be aware of and have your private keys, mnemonic phrases, and passwords backed up in case the unexpected occurs. Do not share this phrase with anyone. These words can be used to steal all your accounts. You can't edit or change your secret recovery phrase. Backing up when you install MetaMask. When you create a new MetaMask account, you are prompted to accept two screens concerning privacy and terms of usage, followed by a page where you enter a password. This password is what allows you to unlock your local MetaMask account once installed. However, if your computer crashes or if you are somehow unable to access your MetaMask, this password will not help you gain access to your funds from another machine or after a crash. The following page, where you are given your 12-word secret recovery phrase, is the most important bit of information for you to record and keep safe in managing your MetaMask account. You can write your secret recovery phrase down on a piece of paper or, titanium or a flash drive. Optionally, we allow you to download a file containing the phrase. Backing up after you install MetaMask. If for some reason you forgot to record your 12-word secret recovery phrase, or you lost the original copy, as long as your MetaMask account is still unlocked, you can reveal your secret recovery phrase so you can back it up again. Settings: use YouTube audio library only. YouTube.